Okay, variation of parameters, as it is already explained to CPM MEC students. For MPC and Telugu medium English medium students, it is not explained. ఈ తెలుగు మీడియం ఇంగ్లీష్ వాళ్ళు జాగ్రత్తగానండి. సిపిఎం ఎంఈసి వాళ్ళకి ఇది రివిజన్గా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. హియర్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆన్ వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారామీటర్స్. 10 marks questions will be asked from this method. So you are so yesterday I gave procedure. Yesterday I told you the procedure regarding variation of parameters. What is the general solution? General solution is y equal to AU plus BV. Y equal to AU plus BV is the general solution of a second order linear differential equation. You know the standard form of second order linear differential equation. That is explained yesterday. I will explain one more time. D square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus qy equal to r of x. It is the second order linear differential equation with variable coefficients. Here p, q, r are variables. That is why it is called linear differential equation with variable coefficients. Variables and non-constants. Non-constant is called variable coefficient. So procedure is explained yesterday. Let us do the problem. You take this problem. D square plus a square into y tan x tan ax. So you may be asked like this. Solve d square plus a square into y equal to tan ax by the method of variation of parameters. So in this way question may be asked. So I will explain this problem clearly. You follow me carefully. If you have any doubts, leave your comment. Leave your doubts as comments in chat box. Okay, let us start this problem. So given equation is d square plus a square into y is equal to tan ax. You compare this equation with the standard form. What is the standard form? Just a short while ago I give the standard form. D square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y equal to r of x. So this is r of x. Right side expression, right side function is called r of x. We required r of x because we use r of x in formula. D square plus a square into y. First find yc. You know how to find yc. There is a formula yc equal to c1u plus c2v. C1u plus c2v. Yc equal to c1u plus c2v. So to find yc, we must find auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Replace d by m. You will get m square plus, you look at here, m square plus a square equal to 0. M square plus a square equal to 0. M square equal to minus a square. M equal to plus or minus square root of minus a square. This equal to plus or minus root minus unta I pettukunda root a square equal to a plus or minus ai. That equal to 0 plus or minus ai. You compare this with a plus ib. A plus or minus ib. A plus or minus ib. So roots are complex numbers. So when roots are complex numbers, what is yc? Yc equal to, there is a formula to find yc. When roots are complex number, yc equal to c1 cos ax plus c2, sorry, bx, c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx into e power ax. This is the formula. Here a equal to 0, b equal to a. Therefore, yc equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax into e power ax. A 0, e power 0x is 1. So, you need not write. You compare this yc with c1 u plus c2 v. Compare c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax with c1 u plus c2 v, where u equal to cos ax and v equal to sin ax. Okay. If possible, you write the notes. MPC Telugu medium students, write notes. Now, u equal to cos ax, v equal to sin ax. Find u dash immediately. U dash equal to derivative of cos ax. Cos ax derivative minus sin ax. That implies v equal to sin ax. Find v dash. This equal to a cos ax. Is it okay? Now find u v dash minus u dash v. So this is u v dash minus u dash v is used in formula. That is why you find okay. So u v dash minus u dash v. U v dash minus u dash v is cos ax into a cos ax, and a cos square ax minus v u dash or u dash v, minus of minus plus a into sin ax, a sin square ax. A is common, that means cos square ax plus sin square ax. This equal to a into sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1. So that equal to a. So the value of u v dash minus u dash v equal to a. So it is used wherever it necessary. So yc is found, you know, yc. Next, let us find the general solution. What is the general solution? What is the formula for general solution? Y equal to au plus bv. Y equal to au plus bv is the general solution. uv are found. యూవీలు వచ్చేసింది మనకి, యూ కనుక్కున్నాం, వి కనుక్కున్నాం. ఏబీలు తెలియదు అనమాట. ఏబీ ఆర్ టు బి ఫౌండ్. యూ దిస్ ఈజ్ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇన్ విచ్ we are aware of u and v, we are unaware of a and b. A and b తెలియదు మనకి. A and b కనుక్కోవడానికి there are formulas. I will tell you the formulas to find AB. A equal to, the formula is given here, A equal to this one, minus v r dx by u v dash minus u dash v. This is the formula to find A. That equal to, substitute the values in A, substitute the values here, minus integral vr. What is v? V is sin ax, that is already found. R is, this is r, tan ax is taken as r, tan ax by uv dash minus u dash v, it is already found to be a, that is a. Make the simplification, minus 1 by a integral sin ax into, what is tan ax? Tan ax can be written as sin ax by cos ax, sin ax by cos ax dx. Cos a, sorry, nothing is cancelled. 1 by a integral sin ax into sin ax sin square ax by, can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, okay. Yes, now you can hear my voice. Earlier that is unmuted. Okay, minus 1 by a sin square ax by cos ax. Sin square ax is written as 1 minus cos square ax by cos ax dx. Understand? So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. You know this formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From which sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sin square theta, you can write cos square theta. Understand? Now this equal to minus 1 by a. You split the fraction. 1 by cos ax minus cos square ax by cos ax. That is cos ax dx. Now distribute the integration. That means minus 1 by a integral 1 by hello. ఇక రాదు లాక్ చేసేసాను రాగా పేపర్ రాకుండా. Sorry for interruption. 1 by cos ax can be written as secant ax secant ax minus 1 by a cos ax dx. This equal to minus 1 by a integral secant x. You have the formula integral secant x dx equal to log secant x plus tan x. Use this formula. X coefficient is a. After integration, a is written as denominator. Okay, log secant ax plus tan ax by a. A into a becomes a square minus 1 by a cos ax. You know the integration for cos ax. Cos ax dx equal to sin ax by a. So sin ax by a square. So this is a. After integration we write constant. So a equal to this. A equal to minus 1 by a square log secant ax plus tan x minus 1 by a square sin ax plus c1. So in the similar manner, let us find v. How to find v? We have formula to find b. B equal to ur dx by uv dash minus u dash. This equal to, you know everything. You know what is u? U equal to cos ax. Make the substitution. Cos ax or tan ax dx by uv dash minus u dash v. This is already found. That is a. This equal to integral cos ax into tan ax is written as 1 cos ax, sorry, that is written as sin ax by cos ax dx. Cos ax get cancelled, sin ax dx. This equal to integral sin ax is 1 by a minus cos ax plus c2, because integral sin theta d theta equal to minus cos theta. Here the coefficient of x is a, that is written in the denominator. That is why you got minus b. So b equal to minus 1 by a cos ax plus c2. So a and b are found. What is the formula for general solution? The general solution is y equal to au plus bv. Therefore y equal to, you have a and b and u and v. Okay, you substitute all the values. A equal to what? Minus 1 by a square log secant x plus tan x minus 1 by a square sin ax plus c1. Sin ax plus c. This is multiplied by u. What is u? U and v are found here. U equal to cos ax. Cos ax plus bv. Write bv. What is b? Minus 1 by a cos ax plus c1. This is multiplied by v. What is v? Sin ax. Make the simplification. Distribute cos ax. Cos ax is given to each term. Alage sin ax is given to each one. So you will get minus 1 by a square log secant ax plus tan ax into cos ax minus 1 by a square sin ax cos ax plus sin ax distribute cheste you will get minus here. I am sorry, we made a mistake in b. Here I forgot to write a. You look at here, we forgot this a. Actually we get a square here, a square. So that is we forgot. Here you write a square. Minus 1 by a square, you distribute sin ax. plus minus 1 by a square sin ax into cos ax, sin ax into cos ax plus c1 sin ax. You can cancel these two, minus 1 by a square sin ax cos ax, minus 1 by a square sin cos ax, both are same. I'm sorry, we made mistake again. Here we made a mistake. In a, while finding a, minus is not distributed. Minus 1 by a is distributed, this becomes plus. Remember this. This one becomes plus. So you write plus here, plus, and this is also plus. These two terms you same with opposite signs get cancelled. What is the remaining terms? Minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus tan ax into cos ax plus here we forgot one more term. C1 cos ax, C1 cos ax, C1 cos ax plus this is C2, C2 sin ax. So this is the answer. Y equal to, this is the general solution. Do you have any doubts? Ask me now. This is very important problem, asked many times. There are only 51 participants. What about the remaining 61 participants joined earlier? So let us go to the next problem. This is the next problem. You want to ask me any doubts? You will get this problem, second problem. D square plus a square into y equal to secant ax. You will be asked to solve this by variation of parameters. So if you want to find the general solution in variation of parameters, you have to follow two formulas. One is yc equal to c1u plus c2v. Second one is y equal to au plus bv. Y equal to au plus bv is the general solution. Yc is complementary function. So first let us find yc. To find yc, we must write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is put d equal to m square plus a square equal to 0. This implies m square equal to minus a square, m equal to plus or minus square root of minus a square. This equal to plus or minus ai. That means 0 plus or minus ai. So roots are complex conjugates. Then yc equal to c1 cos bx. B ante a cos ax plus c2 sin bx, here b equal to a, sin a, into e power 0x, e power ax అంటే 0x, this is 1, so you will get c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. You compare this with the formula c1 u plus c2b, where u equal to cos ax, v equal to sin ax. This is the first step. Okay, immediately find u dash and v dash. U dash equal to minus a sin ax, v dash equal to a cos ax. Now find u dash, I'm sorry, immediately find uv dash minus u dash v, take cross multiplication. You will get a cos square ax plus a sin square ax. A is common, sin square ax plus cos square ax. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, you get a. So, the value of uv dash minus u dash v is a. So, this is used in formula. While finding a and b, we use uv dash minus u dash v. Okay. So, yc is found. So, next step is general solution. General solution is au plus bv. We are unaware of ab and we don't know a and b values. So, to find a and b, we have formulas. This is the formula to find a. This is the formula. You know this formula. A equal to minus vr dx by u v dash minus v u dash. So, this is the formula to find b. Okay. Let us find a and b. Very simple problem. A equal to minus vr dx by uv dash minus u dash. Substitute the values. What is v? This is v equal to sin ax. Look at here. V equal to sin ax. What is r? So, if you look at the given problem, the right side expression is r. R equal to secant ax. Secant ax by, so the denominator value is found already, that is a dx, that equal to minus sin ax into secant ax is written as 1 by cos ax dx. 1 by a is written outside, that equal to minus 1 by a integral sin ax by cos ax tan ax dx. This equal to minus 1 by a integral tan theta. We have the formula integral tan theta d theta equal to log cos theta. Tan by cos. Sorry. Here we have two formulas. One is minus 1 log cos ax. Another one is log secant theta. Minus log cos theta or plus log secant theta. So, you can use any one of these two formulas. Okay, let us use minus formula. Minus log tan ax cos ax. X coefficient a, that is written out denominator, a becomes a square. Minus of minus plus 1 by a square log cos ax. This is a. you write these two formulas. Next we shall find b. To find b, we use this formula. ur dx by b equal to integral ur dx by uv dash minus u dash v. This equal to, what is u? U is already found here, see here, cos x into r of x is secant x by uv dash minus u dash v is a dx. That equal to cos x into secant x is written as 1 by cos x dx. 1 by a is written outside. 1 by a cos x get cancelled, we will get dx. Integral dx is x. After integration, we write the constant c2. Here also you write constant c1. This is important. c1. Okay. A and b are found. Now let us write the general solution. What is the formula to general solution? GS. General solution is y equal to au plus bv. Substitute the values. A equal to, what is a? 1 by a square log cos x. Log cos x plus c1. This is multiplied by u. What is u? U equal to cos x plus bv. What is bv? 1 by a yes, I am sorry, 1 by a. One by a x or x by a plus c2. This is multiplied by v. V is sin x. This equal to cos x distribute. You will get c1 cos x plus here c2 sin x. C2 sin x plus 1 by a square cos x into log cos x plus x by a sin x. This is the general solution. Problem is over. Yes. So the time is running out. Now you are allowed to unmute yourself, talk to me, ask me doubts. Now you can unmute yourself and talk to me, ask me doubts if any.
Attendance, sir.
Am I speaking?
Sir,
Ask me. Two problems are
sir,
explained
మరి
on variation of
కౌచీ
parameters.
యూలర్ ఈక్వేషన్ క్లాస్ లో చెప్పారు కదా సార్ మొన్న.
మీకు చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ, సిపిఎం ఎంఈసి చెప్పాను. ఎంపీసీ తెలుగు మీడియం ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం కావాలా, వాళ్ళ కోసం చెప్తున్నాను అనమాట.
అది మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ చెప్పినప్పుడు చదువుతారా సార్?
మీకు సిలబస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ సిపిఎం ఎంఈసి కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. లెజెండర్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చదివితే అయిపోద్ది మీకు సిలబస్. మీకు రివిజన్ కింద తీసుకోండి.
నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు పెట్టినప్పుడు రిపీట్ చేస్తారా సార్?
నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులో రివిజన్, క్లాస్ లో కూడా రివిజన్.
కౌచీ యూలర్ ఈక్వేషన్ అప్పుడు చదువుతారా?
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.